Buzz, 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 it's Mrs. B. Thanks so much for coming back to spell with me. Today we're going to be working on the short E, which is in the word spell. Spell. In another video, we're going to work on the long E, which is in the word me. So E, the sound E, is the long E, and is the short E. So let's get started with spelling, rhyming, and reading the short E. I have a pet. Do you have a pet? I took my pet on a jet, like a jet plane. When we landed, we met a friend, but it was raining when we got off the jet and we got wet. Since I didn't want my pet and my bags to get wet, I set them in the car and I let my friend take my pet and put him in the car too on a nice towel. I took my pet on a jet and we met a friend, but we got wet, so we set our pet in the car and let him dry off. These not only all have the short E sound, but they rhyme. Pet, jet, met, wet, set, let. Our pet had a little bit of a sneeze and a little bit of a cough after our trip, so we took him to the vet. After a few days, I figured we might have to go home, but I wasn't ready to leave yet. I loved being with my friend who I met. After we took the jet so she could meet my pet, but we got wet from the rain, so I let my friend set my pet in the car to dry him off. This is all the short E. Set, let, vet, yet, met, jet, pet, and wet. Very good. Now there's a lot of other words that rhyme with the short E sound also. What is this? This is the number 10 with a short E. I sometimes write with a pen. I write with a pen or a marker now and then. Now, then is a little bit of a longer word, but it still rhymes. 10, pen, and then. The TH go together to sound like a th for then. I use a pen now and then when I need to write something important. Okay, those are all also our short E sound. When I got home from my trip with my pet, it was a long journey, and I wanted to go to bed. Bed also has the short E. Now we're going to do a little bit of a trick after one more word. before I went to bed, my little pup was hungry and I fed him. I also wanted to pet him on the head. Now that's a little different. That's still the short E sound, head, but it actually is a trick where we put the E and the A together, and that's our special word of the day, head, because that's spelled a little bit differently, H-E-A-D. Before bed, I fed my pup and I pet him on the head. All of these words have the short E sound. Okay, in another video, we're going to be doing the long E. So subscribe and come back for lots and lots more spelling and fun. Buzz, buzz, buzz.